Okay, so I wanted to note real quick that with this problem, you're going to see that you're, like right now, if you can see it, that little line right there, the brake lights are on. They're not supposed to be on, which you can close the door and shut it off, or close the door and I mean lock it, walk away, and they'll still be on. And that's because the little rubber grommet, which I was talking about, or not grommet, this little rubber pad, okay, right here. You see there's a hole worn in it. Okay, if you can see that. On the back, you can see, looks like something's been ripped off. Well, that is where there's a little piece, a little ripped piece that you press into the hole on the brake pedal itself, where that little plunger that comes out meets. So it's telling you when the brakes are on and the brakes are off. Okay, and as you can see, that's a deep hole. That little piece is pushing in and pushing through, and it was stuck on this. So going down the road, it's right on the edge of thinking the brakes are working or the brakes aren't. And so that was my problem. All I did, this is a temporary fix, but I'd like to find something that looks a lot better. It's just a little piece of aluminum that was angle, or the 90-degree angle. And all I did was I bent it to the exact thickness that little lip is that this rides on. So mostly where this was originally, all I'm doing is sliding this over, just directly over that, but over the top. I've got it where it's so tight too, you tap it on and it's going to stay. Of course it's not going to wear through or anything like that. And it fixed the problem, because I went ahead and put it on, test drove it for about 30 minutes. The problem didn't happen again. Before, the main problem was that the traction control light would come on after a little while. The brake light stayed on. But the big thing that scared us, we thought it was transmission at first, because you're going down the road and it goes from just normal driving to like it goes out of gear. That's how it feels, because you just quit accelerating. And for some reason, when it thinks that switch is going bad, when it thinks that switch is going bad, it will cut the RPMs out. So that's what our problem was, because it doesn't do it anymore. We thought it was transmission. It's not transmission. So very grateful. So mostly with about, I don't know how much the piece I bought was, but mostly if you can find something the exact same thickness, I mean that's the exact same, you can put it on, it'll work. Or you can go buy this piece from Hyundai with the sensor for no reason and throw it on and waste money. Then in a year or however long it takes, it'll be right back to where it was. So let's put this on. I'm going to show you how I put it on and then show you how it fixes the problem. Okay, so like I said originally, here's that little plunger I talked about, and when you press it'll go off. But see how, since there's no pad there, it doesn't push it back in. So it's thinking that it's still, that the brake hadn't returned. So this little piece I made goes right over this. I'm gonna go over the top. Alright, so that's the best I can get it on right now. I'm gonna try to do something that I like better. But it's on there, it's not gonna move. It's on really, really tight. As you can see, the plunger comes out, you release, and it puts the plunger right back up. So, and before, since that was still being able to stay out, that's why your brake lights stay on. That's why you have the traction control issue. And worst case scenario like ours got so bad that it was actually telling the car to cut out the acceleration because we had no brakes. But yeah, so just, that's temporary. But hopefully Hyundai has aftermarket part that's like a hard plastic or preferably a metal, so it doesn't fail again. But they probably don't. I've already talked to them. Kind of told me just buy the whole entire part, which is only $21. But I don't have that kind of time to go run and get it today. Like I said, that's going to be fine. It's not coming off there, and it's fixed our issue. So if you have the same problem, you try something like this. Maybe try something a little better design. With limited time, that'll work.
And then also, you can always just keep from buying a Hyundai, because Hyundai's got a whole lot of recalls on this car and a whole lot of safety issues and engine issues and things like that, and I don't really like that too much, so we'll see.